This is Chicago. It's July 3rd. The year is 222. I was sitting there checking my radars this morning, and I know I showed you before. There's this ball that goes. It's right here in this upper right corner. It goes down, and now it's lighting up Lake Michigan in the morning, or whatever time this is. I'll show you in a second. But so the ball goes down around, and then it meets the sun, which is on an east-west in the Capricorn belt, which would be down by like Mexico south. That's the top of the belt. So you could see the sun go across, but then this ball curves north and then goes over China, which we lose the view from there, and then it comes back around, coming out of northeast Canada, and now it's clipping into the United States. So it looks to me like I got to go back and look at the videos, but that it's moving west. I don't know why the dogs are barking. Anyways, so the doohickey is looks like it's going further west to me, but I gotta verify that. But so check out. There's these weird colors up here. See, they're purples and all that. Now what I'm gonna show you is it's next. I'm gonna show you the radar from space. Hang on, I'm gonna go back and forth. See the ball up here? It's right here. So watch. I'm gonna go left, right. See? Do you see a ball or no? Does anybody see what I'm saying or no? I don't know if I can zoom in anymore. Hang on. If I do it too much, then I can't use the mouse. Hang on. Hang on. Oh shoot! What did I do? I gotta move my face over a little bit. Hang on. I'll leave their logo there. How about that? All right, here. And I'm in natural color, by the way. This is what the camera's seeing naturally. This isn't infrared. So it looks like the clouds turn blue from the water, I guess. I don't know. But this is called natural color, just to keep it. Now, here's the ball. It was going from the east to the west. I'll back it up. See right down here? You'll see the sun's right here. Watch right here. I'm going to go. The ball, that shadow is going to go to your left. Watch this. I'm gonna go left, right. See this? That's the sun. See, there it is. There's a good spot. That's the real sun right there. It's straight overhead of that spot. It's like a spotlight, right? But check it out. If I go back a little further, it curves. We're going over Florida. I'm going backwards. New York, and then look, it takes a hard left, right, just west of, or east of Lake Michigan. The ball's right here now. Last week it was over here. It was in the ocean. So this thing, whatever it is moving west, whatever that thing may be. See how it's lighting up Lake Michigan? Look, this is Lake Michigan right here. You see that? Let me get a little closer. Okay, so right here, I don't know how else to say, but I wasn't even gonna do a video this morning, but this is bothering me. Like, there's a ball of gas right here, whatever you want to call it. See, Lake Michigan's turning orange and shit. Like, but that's like, see that spotlight? Like, I was thinking maybe it was a curve of the. I'm trying to think of every angle. Like, maybe the camera's jolted, but then I can do this on the other camera too. It doesn't matter. The thousands of miles apart. Like, there's something weird here. Like, hang on. So here, I'm gonna go. I'm going, but look at the top too. Look at those colors up here. When it gets to the North Pole area, this is Alaska area. Look, and everybody's saying they're seeing these purple skies at night. Look at this garbage. Like, look at these colors. This is natural color. It's saying, like, what is the camera seeing here? And why is there a big light? That would be over that way. Would be China, I believe. Like if you keep going over the North Pole, whatever's on the other side, whatever. But here, I'm gonna play. I can't use the mouse if I'm that zoomed in. Hang on. Do you see a ball? Does any? I'm at the top of the screen. Look at it. Now maybe that's their camera, but why is the sun over here? Like we shouldn't see it. It should be on the other side of the world. Like, but then it shouldn't be lighting up Lake Michigan and then merging with the real sun or whatever you call this other garbage down here. See, this is where it merges, right about here, because it would be coming from the right, but nobody's down here probably, so you don't notice it. And you ever see when people get that picture, there's the big sun and then a little sun, like not that camera anomaly, but there's always like, I wonder if at certain times these things are crisscrossing, whatever this garbage is. Like you could probably figure it out next time you get one of those pictures. Go over here and take a look, because if you live like, let's say, up here in Canada somewhere, and you're looking towards the real sun would be down here at the equator. Like you would see for a little short window a glimpse of this thing with the big ball. See what I'm saying? Maybe the sun is just dim and then they gotta fake it. I don't know. That's a crazy idea, but then look at this. Maybe it's not man-made. Is what I'm trying to say. Now I'm gonna give you an analogy here, and then we're gonna end this in a second with NASA. But see this boat right here. Oh, what did I just do? Hang on. Oh my God, what did I just do? I don't want that. Where'd it go here? See this? The boat is pushing the water. It has a hull. So when the water, I'm trying to tell you how the sun and the earth supposedly interact. So the sun is blowing farts and gas at us, right? We have a magnetic field around the earth that protects us, like in Star Wars or something with those beams. Or what? Just picture that. So we have protection, and then the gases go around, like you're seeing with this boat over here. See how that works? The boat up here on the right. So the boat is like there's an echo. Like I'm gonna show you a couple of things because the Earth's shields keep blowing apart, and then there's now a ball of gas forming behind the Earth, which I keep showing you for about a year now in many videos that weird off gassing behind Earth, and it always goes around this big ball. Like there's an object there, and then I'm starting to say, well, what's match the times up, and they match. When this ball forms is when that light is doing the weird colors. Anyways, go back and look at the time set. Look at this. So then you got a guy skiing behind it. This is what I'm about to show you on the map. This is what I'm trying to tell you so you can picture this. So now there's another wake. See how the boat's cutting through the main wake, but then there's a little area of calm, and then the doohickey board is right here, and then he's making a little wake. My point is, this doohickey guy would be the ball of I'm about to show you. Does that make sense? I hope. I hope. All right. So here's Earth right here. This is the light side of Earth. Earth's spinning, I guess, and one half is lit, the other half ain't. That's what like yin and yang is kind of weird, but whatever, balance. But whatever. Do you anyways, the sun would be over here to the right. Okay, I could draw this probably, but it doesn't matter. Just picture the sun to the right of the screen, blowing farts this way. These are the farts hitting our shield. This is the shield. See this bow? The bow echo, like I told you, the boat's pushing the wake. So the boat would be like creating the magnetic field, and that magnetic field is that wake, that V you saw, the diamond pushing through the. It's probably a metaphor again. I'm probably explaining other shit and don't know it. But anyways, that's what's happening. Picture this is the boat. Okay, this is all the ocean water, and then that. You see what I'm saying? You see it? Just you'd have to turn the picture. Hopefully, you guys can get that far. But see this little round doohickey right here? Now that's gases. They're gonna tell the scientists and gynecologists will tell you that's just gassing, but I see patterns. So watch this garbage. I've been doing this. I've been doing for 20 years. Like this is crazy shit. Watch it. So, oh, by the way, the satellites I show you, these the pictures are also in the direct path of this light. Watch, hang on. Right here is those said satellites. See how far apart they are. So when I show you the one satellite, see how that works? That goes 16. That would be goes west or east or west. The new one's east. It doesn't matter. Now they got 17, they got 15, but it doesn't matter. These are the two that we're talking about. 16. That's the cameras I just showed you. When I tell you they're thousands of miles apart, look how far this is. They're about halfway around the world distance. See how that if you were closer to the world, see how that work? I hope you understand this. This is hard. This is like teaching gynecology school to like retards. Okay, so here we go. I'm trying to get it down to where you can see pictures. Like so the fart gaze is hitting our bow echo, which is the wave in the water, and then the skier's right here, or not. And by the way, when the skier shows up here, those cameras are like right in its path, but it's not always there. Watch this. I'm just saying. I'm gonna go back and forth a little bit. I'm gonna go backward. See how there's. You're gonna say, well, that's just the way that it's like a whirlpool. Yeah, okay, whatever. The fuck yourself. Like, and by the way, see this bow and all weekend this thing's been flopping. Like, you ever go to a car dealership and they got that doohickey thing that they flops in the wind with the fake arms and it looks like Gumby. That's what our Earth is doing all weekend. Oh, by the way, I'm doing a video today. I'm trying to get it done now of CERN, and CERN's going to tie into this because they keep firing off their own gases, which is 10,000 times stronger than Earth's gases. See how they work? This is getting creepy shit. Like July 5th, they're gonna live stream it. Party time. God knows what's gonna happen, or they do, one or the other. So, anyways, you see this off gassing. All of a sudden, it starts like whirlpooling right here, and then look, there's the wake behind the skier. See, like he creates a smaller wake. So the Earth's wake is blowing gas way off the back. There's fins. I could show you a video of that too. That's the one I showed you with the angel, looked like the archangel behind Earth, like since February. And it's I got a video of it here, but on my own camera. But I'll show you one day if I could show you. But it's weird. Anyways, there's off gassing behind the skier. So here's the skier, here's the boat. This is the fart gas from the sun or the water coming that it's being broke apart by the wake. So here, watch. Now you hopefully have that analogy. So I'm gonna just play this. Let's just keep playing this. Just gonna let it play. I'm gonna have some coffee. You guys just have some coffee. It just looks weird. Watch the ball form. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit. Remember, those are the satellites right there, right in the path of that doohickey. And then the light changes on the Earth. You're seeing weird objects in the space. You're seeing like I see a lot of pictures where people are getting these light red balls that just sit in there. They think they're UFOs. See the off gassing stop. Like it could be rotating like that video I just showed you. Remember the thing spinning around, but we don't have enough camera space to see that. But it could be over here or wherever, however it's spinning. Or maybe it's stuck. Maybe this is a moon that's stuck in our orbit. See how that works? Because I've been doing this. Look, see, there's our off gas. You'll see the fins come out of here. But the ball ain't there right now. Like there's the ball moving back and forth. It's like it's there. There it pops in. So and we're having these mystery storms. Like NASA's like, don't know where that came from. And I could prove that to you because I watched those too. What? Here, right here. I should have showed you this the whole time. But anyways, this is live time right now. Look at the high spin. Look, we're getting almost a million miles or over a million miles an hour. See how that works? Gassing. So the Earth's getting slammed right now with some off gassing. Speaking of gassing, sorry about that. And now here, this is where we see the archangel half the time. Like now, see that blast? You just see that fart come in. See all the colors? And now watch to the right. Now they're not synced, so they're not the exact same. But no, the other weird thing is we're getting a double bow echo. You're not supposed to have two shields, so it's like the boat is pushing itself in front of itself. This is even worse. I didn't even think about that. This is worse than I even just thought. Like you're not supposed to have. This is like having a bow, like you pull your compound bow, and then you got a second bow. See how that works? It makes it a lot stronger. Picture that. Hi, baby. What you doing? I gotta go, man. They're waking up. See how that garbage work? It was a late night with this 4th of July garbage, celebrating whatever. I had people that want to come. They go, I don't feel too patriotic. They stayed home. What? What's that? Oh, your brother did that garbage. Yeah. He brought his excavator inside. True story. Look, this thing from the yard, from the freaking garden, and it had dirt, and now it's all. He was trying to put the plants. Yeah, look at this. He's trying to help, so you can't get. But this is so cute. But we got plant. I got plants all over my. See, I'm trying to survive with food. See how they work? And those are real plants. I'm just kidding. But he wanted to take his excavator from all the way out and freaking way down there, brings it in. This is how kids. This is why kids like. They're awesome. Like I'm gonna plant trees in the house. See how that work? So Chicago. Have a great weekend. Be safe, man. I got a video coming. I'm about to do now with the all the chaos. I'm showing police cameras. You're gonna love this one. So it'll probably, I'm guessing, gonna be an hour long. So maybe I'll pop that tonight. We'll do Sunday night chat with Wags. You're not gonna believe the shit I'm finding. This is all this didn't happen years ago. Like I'm gonna show you a shooting. Like you're gonna see. Get your coffee for tonight. I